Gold and silver traded with modest bearish bias for the day. The sell call earlier in the day, few hours back, with our Asia and Europe session at 2380 and 3095, proven out to be fruitful, where we have seen it gold moving towards the first support zone at 2368.70 as we expected, and silver towards 2375.80. Now, what to expect with the US session? Can we expect this bearishness to continue, or there is a possibility of a recovery and a rise? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon to watch both the updates and get the notifications. Press the bell icon, and yes, do like, share, and comment. It is always a great motivation and support. Or join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch this. You see gold on the early charts. You can look forward to what how it has behaved so far. You can find out this is the rise, then consolidation, then the rise, then consolidation, then the rise. Now, if it is a reversal, it has to break below this zone. Then only we can confirm this is a reversal, which means 2350, 2355 zone needs to be taken in order to confirm. Right now, I can see it is retracing and not yet reversed. Also, if you look at the this was the breakout, and from here only the rise was seen. Prices have come back to the same zone. So now it is important for gold to break below 2365 levels and then 2360 levels now. And if it stays below 2360, slight bearishness may prevail. Stochastic oversold, it is trying to recover. Let's see if it does. MACD is right now trading with divergence, is staying bearish, looking downwards, while RSI is also retraced. Coming to 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, you can see prices were divergent from the 20 period moving average, and we have seen it now converging. It is taking support here from the 20 period moving average. Yes, uh, see these two candles though have closed below 20 period moving average, but it is trying to come back within the zone. Let's see if it continues. Else, a possible selling entry below 2370-68 zone is there, but then also the support levels are very nearby, 2365-62 and then 2355-57. Very good support exist here. Stochastic is oversold, while MACD has crossed over at the top, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. Coming to 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, also similar observation here. See the rise, the retracement, the rise, the retracement. Again, it has come to take the support from the 20 period moving average. And right now, if you look at the past two candles, though these both are bearish candles, but you can see the body size has diminished. It means that the prices are not willing to stay below 20 period moving average. Thus, if you see it is staying below 2368, you can take a sell entry. However, we have to be very careful. 2365-62, very good support zone. 2355-57, the next support zone, only below which we can say that it is turning bearish. Stochastic has come to the bottom here. MACD has crossed over at the top. It is again trading with divergence. Remember, this is just two candles away, so it has still got lot much of room on the downside if it continues to trade bearish from the current levels. Look at what has happened here. First, second crossover, and third crossover. Now this third crossover is coming with bit of divergence, which means it is interested in a further fall. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. Coming to 4-hour. On the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation here. If you connect this, you will find it is trading with higher highs, higher lows. Very important for it to break below now the 20 period moving average, which definitely going to provide a little support. And in fact, even if it trades below 2368, we can see that the support levels here at 2365-62 is going to be stronger. 2357-55 is going to be stronger. Very strong support exists there. See, also too much of divergence here on the 4-hour charts calls for it to converge, and that is what it is trying to do. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD has crossed over here. Now see this first, second, third, and on the third attempt it has crossed over. So this suggests that there could be another bearish candle, a couple of more bearish candles from the current levels here, as it has just crossed over. RSI has come out of the overbought zone. Coming to the daily, and before we look into daily charts, and I provide you the trading levels and strategy. If you want to learn this art of trading, join the mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me over email or Telegram for your queries related to the services. Else join the free Telegram channel. And yes, those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade all the global instruments, and yes, which offers a SAF free account with the lowest spreads and no hidden charges. You can also find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily. See what has happened on the daily charts. It was trading with divergence, and see lower highs are created from the last week, last Friday. What we have seen the rise. Now it is trying to erase some of the gains from the last Friday. What it could do at best is close somewhere here, and then the tomorrow's candle is again going to be one bearish candle where the prices might try to move towards 70. 2360 levels. Now right now also one must notice what gold has done here is it is almost found double top and it is trading in this box. So after the drop it is trading in the box. The median right now is around 23 40 45 zone. So this is the median it needs to break, then you can confirm that gold is turning bearish. Else it is still not bearish. You can find out that this is trading in this bullish channel. The lows here at around 2350 2360 zone. Also if you notice this, the moving averages are divergent here and also it is traded bearish before giving this breakout. So if you see gold is staying any point of time over 2391, stay bullish, you can buy here. And if it breaks 2400, stay bullish for the week. We are looking forward to a stronger rise. Stochastic overbought trying to cool down. MACD has seen a divergence here. It has crossed over at the bottom and RSI is looking downward. Now considering this, see earlier the resistance zone, the selling entries were at 2378.80. Now this is going to be the buy zone. You can buy here at 2378.80, but then again it is going to get maximum resistance at around 2383.85. First resistance 2388.91, the second resistance zone. Breaking beyond which certainly you should treat gold as bullish, else it is still not bullish. And on the downside now, the selling entries are limited at around 2368.70, where you can expect it to move towards 2365.62. First support zone, very very good support there. Then 2357.55, the next support zone. Now remember, as long as for the day 2357.55 zone is respected, the chances of a bounce back will be high, or it may try to contain or limit itself, its movement within this zone itself. 2391, I do not expect it to break, but these are marked. If you're buying, you should strictly trail your stop losses, else as again gold might try to trade bearish. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. So see silver on the early charts, after trading with divergence it is converged here. After trading with divergence it is converged here, finding the support here. It is trying to bounce back. Nice flag formation is an you can see here. Thus if you see it is staying above 3110 3120 zone, you can say that it is turning bullish. 3110 is going to be one milestone it needs to break. So when you see the lower prices above 3110, you can expect a little rise, but then on the upside, as long as silver stays below 3140, do not treat this as bullish for the day and for the week. Though you can see what it is doing is taking support, trying to bounce back. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, the RSI is also trying to rise a bit. On the 2 hour, the observation is more or less same, where the prices have come to take the support from the 20 period moving average. Yes, too much of divergence calls for it to converge. See how beautiful support it has taken. Thus it appears the selling entry is now below 38. Stochastic here is oversold, trying to bounce back. The MACD has crossed over here at the top, trading with divergence, looking bearish, looking downwards. RSI has dropped as well. It has come out of the overbought zone. Looking at 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, one must notice what has happened. See the previous two candles with higher lows, and right now it is trying to retrace. But I diminished when you see compared to bearish candles. So bearish candles are bigger in size, while the rise or the greener candles are with smaller body size. Let's see if it stays above 3110 3120 zone and then 3140. If these three levels are taken, sky is the limit for silver. See the rise, the retracement, the rise, the retracement, and it is trying to stay bullish. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD interestingly has crossed over here. It is trading with divergence. It is staying bearish. The RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. Coming to 4 on the 4-hour charts, what has happened? See preceding candles, lower highs, lower lows. This candle trying to break out. Possibly once it stays beyond 3110, 3120, and then 3140. If these three levels are taken, then only we should treat this as bullish. Right now, if you just ignore this candle, you will find that silver is trading in this bullish channel. Very, very important for it to trade below 3080 now. Stochastic dropped sharp. MACD, now interestingly, MACD has crossed over, and this is just the first candle after the crossover. So I will still not treat gold as bullish. Yes, it is still not bullish. Be careful as long as 3140 is not taken. Very very clear here. Stock RSI coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily charts. What has happened? The day started with lower highs, and since then we have seen it trading bearish. And yes, it could turn gain, but right now I can say that it must try to retrace a little after these stronger bullish candles here. See the bullishness here. Now thus I expect it to retrace, and if you look at the movement in silver, it is trading in this bullish channel. The lows here, the 20 period moving average is sitting at around $30. The stochastic is also overbought, but look at MACD crossed over here at the bottom, trading with divergence, looking upwards, staying bullish. RSI is running flat. So considering this, now yes, you can buy here when you see the silver price is above 3110. When you see the lower price above 3110, you can initiate a buying entry. However, it is still riskier, as it has got very good resistance at 31.20.25 first and 31.40 31.50 the next. If at any point of time silver stays beyond 31.40.50, stay bullish. It is going to head towards $32 levels very very soon. While on the downside now the selling entries are at 30.80. At 30.80 you can take a selling entry. We can look forward to 30.60 and 30.40 levels. Below 30.40 it is not going to come back again. On the upside we can look forward to $30 levels at the next target. So appears looking at the move, the bearish are not very much interested for a further drop, but yes, if breaking below 30.80, certainly more bearishness should be seen. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Thank you.